Hey guys, I'm showing you this Anpviz 5 megapixel PTZ Wi-Fi camera. It's an outdoor camera and with a 5x optical zoom. So wireless Wi-Fi camera with human detection, auto tracking, two-way audio, night vision, motion alerts, and it's a built-in 64 gigs SD card. So it's a manual booklet in different language. Power adapter, camera, and the cables. So this is the all content from the box. You can see the camera with a big lens because it have optical zoom. So these are the cables, one for the LAN and this is the reset button that I will show you later on. So this is the LAN cable, this is the Wi-Fi antenna. It's a waterproof design because it's outdoor use, matter. And you can see for a speaker and the mic for the audio. So this LAN cable that you can connect it through. So put in the LAN cable so the site can go to your network. This is for the power adapter, and the third one is the reset button. So you can also use for the LAN this accessories to make it more waterproof and nice. I'm just showing you the quick setup thing. So see, it started and you can see the camera start rotating and moving and checking its zoom. So this already have a 64 gigs SD card inside, so you don't need to open and install it. So that's a good thing, that makes it more like factory set waterproof thing. So you can see also the rotation. It worked with the 2.4 gigahertz setup and is an app, so you can just use your camera. So the app link will come up. So this is almost like 360, like 355-degree pan and 90-degree tilt, and it's the app. And start installing. You need to add your camera. So you add new design, new device. And then when you add everything, you have to set it up. So I'm not using the LAN cable, I'm using my Wi-Fi. You can look for the design of your camera to choose the right one. So this is the right one. It will ask you to scan the barcode of the camera. So it's here near to the Wi-Fi antenna. So it take it up and start installing it. Once installed, you can control it through your Wi-Fi network and app. This is the reset button, so sometimes you need to use, so just keep pressing. So after resetting, it will become easy for you, so you have to keep pressing the button to keep. I will suggest to use the LAN cable for initial setup of the camera. So once you put in your LAN connection, it will become really easy for your camera to connect to your app. So I'm showing you the connections that I'm doing it right now. So once connected, the camera will really start working. So I'm showing you some of this the footages or the app functions on my mobile. So I set this up and you can see that you can turn it anywhere you want, and it have some optical zoom, so that will be easy to, like, if you want to focus on something. So artificial intelligence, two-way talking, so there are a lot of features that you can use with this camera. So you can reverse or the mirror your image. There are a lot of features, like in the app you can see it here. You can see there is a button up and down, side, wherever you want to set this up. See the zoom. Overall, it's a nice camera, outdoor camera.